Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving out of Ocho Rios and we are going to take a look at the Total White River. This is a new gas station that was recently opened, and they also recently opened a plaza beside the gas station. So this is it on the left, so we're going to take a quick tour. Now the plaza is actually a part of the basically, as you can see, the gas station and the plaza are literally the same thing. They built basically the gas station in the plaza, or the plaza in the gas station. So here you can see, and this is the new model I have noticed they're using along the north coast now. So this one was built like this, the gas station and the plaza. Fesco recently built one, same concept, gas station and a plaza. Well, actually the Fesco one, the gas station is still, the gas station is finished, the pumps are operational, but the plaza is still under construction. So, and then in Draxall, the Booth gas station was built and a plaza built around it, just like this one, and they are actually expanding that plaza in Draxall. So just giving you a quick update. This plaza seems to be, it's finished now. And all the stores seem to be rented, so that's very good. Yeah, as we are looking, all the stores are rented. Well, all the ones on the ground floor. No, it's that one is not rented, but most of them on the ground floor, with the exception of one, is rented. So that's very good. And Total actually has the most service stations in Jamaica. They have the largest number. We're actually going to do a video on this gas stations. So we were researching it, and Total has the most stations. I think, not sure, who did Total take over from? Esso. We're going to do a video on the service stations in Jamaica, but we haven't finished the research yet. But Total has the most stations, and I think they said there were 320 gas stations in Jamaica, and Total had the most. Alright, so we're going to head back out to the Ocho Rios bypass. As you can see, it's a very busy road, so it's a good spot for a gas station. They actually have 3 gas stations on this road now. Actually 4, because there's one down the bottom here. So that will give you an idea of just how busy this road is. So if we turn right, we would head back into Ocho Rios. We're going to turn left and head towards Boscobel. We're actually going to the Jan Fleming International Airport to make a video and see what's going on out there. So there are 4 gas stations on the street. Texaco, which we're passing now, the Total, which we just looked at, Booth Service Station, and the new Fesco. So we're actually passing over the White River now, and there is a sign that says St. Mary. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.